Hello, Elizabeth here, and today I'm going to show you how to make the cutest little pumpkin throw pillow to add to your cozy fall decor. This is a no-sew project and I made it with dollar store supplies. I'm gonna walk you through everything step by step. I started with this felt fabric I got from my local dollar store. It's 72 by 36 inches, which is quite large. This is what it looks like folded over, and then I cut it in half to make a shape that's basically square. Next, I added some stuffing. I ordered this bag online years ago thinking it was way smaller, and then this monster came to my door, so I have plenty on hand. But if you don't, one of the most affordable ways to get stuffing is to actually purchase a super cheap pillow or large stuffed animal and cut it open and take the stuffing out. Then I took the four corners of the square and folded them into the middle and used an elastic band to secure them together. I took out a little more stuffing because it was still a bit too full. Then with the four remaining corners, I took two opposite from each other and pulled them into the middle, securing them together with the first four corners using another elastic band. And then I pushed that knot down and tied the last two corners together, just to each other, not attaching them to the others because they're pretty bulky at this point. So now I've got a little bundle that doesn't look like much, but trust the process. Next, I took some jute cord, also known as twine, and I cut long strings of it, which I wrapped around the bottom of my bundle and secured together at the top. I passed the first ones underneath the final elastic I tied and pulled them tightly into a knot, and then tied another knot around that final elastic, leaving the long ends of the cord just hanging out. Then I did that again with another string going the opposite way across the bundle, this time tying them on top and just to the side of the final elastic. And again tied a second knot around the elastic. Then I added two more long strings of twine across the diagonals, again tying the ends of each one around the final elastic. This step is what will create that pumpkin shape. Next, I took a hot glue gun and one at a time, I wrapped each end of twine carefully around the little corners of felt that are sticking out the top to create a stem on the pumpkin. I started at the bottom and wrapped all the way around to the top with as much coverage of that white fabric as possible. You don't need to hot glue absolutely every step of the way, just every now and then to make sure it's secure. At the very top, I used quite a bit of glue to wrap the string in a spiral to completely cover the top of the stem. I repeated this with all of the strings, keeping it as even as possible and filling in any gaps as I saw them. Once the stem was done, I used my fingers to fluff each segment of the pumpkin and shape them until everything was nice and rounded and looking the way I wanted. And here is the final result. I completed this project in less than an hour. It's super quick and easy, very affordable, and you can do it in any color and size you like to match your home decor. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you enjoyed this video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment letting me know what sort of projects you'd like to see in the future. See you later!